Hi everyone, I am Smriti Singhal and I'm back again with a beauty secret, that is how to get glowing skin using only one ingredient. So what is that? Let's quickly get into the video and see what is that ingredient. I'm talking about nothing else but rice water. Yes, you heard me, it's rice water. All of you know about aloe vera, right? If aloe vera is here, then rice water is next in line. It's very useful, guys. Although rice water has a lot of other benefits for your hair, for your skin, for your body skin, and a lot of other things, but today we are going to talk specifically about get glowing skin using rice water. Okay, so first of all, let's just know what is rice water and how to get rice water. So rice water is the water of rice. That's it. The water that you get from soaking the rice into the water. Okay, that is called rice water. So there are two ways you can get rice water. First, to make rice water, rinse the rice with the help of water in order to remove any dirt or impurities. Afterwards, soak that rice in water, in a fresh water, and cover that for like 10 minutes to 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, the water you get, the water in which all the vitamins and minerals from rice must have been transferred, is the water you have to use for your skin. Okay, and the second method is just boil the rice into the water like the way you cook rice. Just cook the rice and the water that remains in the end, just pour it in a container, and that is the water you have to use for your skin. I prefer the second method because I find it more full of minerals and vitamins, because it's more dense and more slimy. Okay, so yeah, I prefer second method over first method. You can use any method that you feel comfortable with. So how to apply rice water in our skin? So we will be using rice water cube. So you can definitely use that water, and you can use rice water cube as well. Okay, I use rice water cube because it's long lasting. Okay, you can keep it in the freezer for like 1 week. However, you can use that rice water for like 2 days maximum. Afterwards, you'll have to throw that away. Okay, so I prefer rice water cube. So for that, with the help of a glass, pour the rice water in the ice tray and keep it in the freezer. So whenever you want to use, just take out from the freezer and take one cube. The rice water cube looks like this. Okay, and take out one cube from the ice tray and start rubbing this on your face. You can rub the ice cube any time in a day, morning, evening, afternoon, night, whenever you want to. There is no fixed time, whenever you are comfortable with. Just rub it on your whole face. Use the whole cube till this whole cube melts. Okay, like everywhere, on your eyebrows, on your lips. Okay, so I'm done with my cube. After, what you have to do is just massage this whole thing properly.
Okay, with very gentle fingers, and just keep it cloth because you might end up being messy. Massage this properly
On your skin. Okay, and let it dry for like 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, just wash your face with normal water or chilled water, whatever you prefer. So this is the result of using ice cube, rice water cube on a daily basis. Okay, you are going to see the results instantly as well, but that will last only for 5 to 10 minutes, just like any other face wash does, right? So in order to see long lasting result, you will have to start using this cube on a daily basis, once, twice, thrice a day, it doesn't matter. Rice water is easily available. It's summers where you can use cube, not a problem. So I think, guys, you should start using rice water cube today itself. So yeah, the other tip that I would like all of you to know, that no matter what product you use, no matter what homemade remedy you use, if you are not happy, if you are not sleeping properly, if you are not eating properly, then your face is not going to glow. Your internal happiness is extremely important, guys. If you are not happy, if you are sad, if you are depressed, if you are not eating properly, you are not sleeping properly, then your face will start getting dull, right? Along with the products, take care of your health, your sleep and your food, and definitely you'll start glowing from the other day itself. Yeah. And the another very amazing tip to make your skin glow is गर्मी में बैठ जाओ. Okay, थोड़ी देर बाद you'll start sweating, आपके face पे sweating आएगा and you'll start glowing like a sun. That's a very easy, very natural process. You can try that as well. Jokes apart, definitely do take care of your health and your family and yourself. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are gonna try this and let me know the results.